In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Binance platform to manage your cryptocurrencies effectively. Whether you are new to Binance or looking to get more out of your investments, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. So grab your device and let's dive in. First, you'll want to visit the Binance website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in Binance.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with a myriad of options enticing you with the world of cryptocurrency trading. It's a bustling marketplace, so familiarity with the site's layout will be your first step in navigating this digital landscape. Next, look for the Earn option at the top of the menu. Clicking on Earn will open up a menu of options, showcasing different ways you can make your crypto work for you. This includes staking, lending, and various investment products that Binance offers. The Earn section is where the magic happens, allowing you to potentially increase your holdings over time while exploring different financial tools. Now, direct your attention to the range of coins displayed under the Earn section. You'll want to click on USDC. This step involves choosing between numerous digital currencies, but let's focus on USDC for this illustration. USDC or USD coin is a stablecoin that is often used for earning interest without the volatility seen in other cryptocurrencies. Selecting it will take you to a page where you can explore earning opportunities specifically for this coin. Once you're on the USDC page, it's time to enter an amount. Have an amount in mind that you're comfortable investing. Type it into the designated field on the page. Remember, only invest what you can afford to set aside for the purpose of growing your crypto savings, as every investment carries its own set of risks. Finally, complete your journey by clicking on Estimated Earnings. This feature gives you a preview of potential returns based on the amount you've entered. It's an insightful tool that helps gauge the possible gain from your investment, allowing you to make an informed decision before committing your funds. While these are just estimates and not guaranteed figures, they are helpful in planning your investment strategy. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Binance platform to find earning opportunities with USDC. Always be sure to conduct further research and understand the risks associated with each product before investing. Binance offers a plethora of resources and support for those who wish to delve deeper, so don't hesitate to explore beyond what we covered today. Thanks for watching and happy crypto earning.